Hello students, we are doing subject Shiv Chhatrapati, Environmental Studies Part 2, Lesson number 14. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. Welcome to Vidyabhushan English Primary School Standard 4 Online Studies. Now we will see the lesson number 14. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. It means that we have achieved the fort but we have lost our lion. In first paragraph we will see Jijamata's wish. Shivaji Maharaj handed over means he passed 23 forts to Jai Singh and it was in the hands of Mughals. Kondana was one of those 23 forts. One day, Jijamata said to Shivaji, Shiva, it is not safe to remain the strong Kondana fort in enemy's hands. Our fort should not remain in the enemy's hands. You must recapture it. Recapture it means take it back. Shivaji Maharaj was thinking on the same lines. He was very unhappy that Kondana fort was in Mughal hands. Both Shivaji and Jijabai were very unhappy about it. It was like a thorn in their side. Thorn in their side means how a rose flower has a thorn, prickle, kata. In the same way, looking Kondana fort in enemy hands was like a thorn for Shivaji Maharaj and Jijamata. Shivaji Maharaj started making plans for recapture of Kondana. He started making plans that how we can get the Kondana fort back. For this now a trusted person was needed, whom I can trust and who can complete the work. Who could complete this task now? It was very difficult to capture Kondana fort. It was really very difficult to capture the Kondana fort. Tanaji Malusare. Tanaji Malusare was Shivaji Maharaj's comrade, means friend. He was his friend, colleague right from the beginning. He came from the village Umrate. He came from the village Umrate, which is near Mahad in the Konkan. He was always ready to put his heart and soul for the work given to him by Shivaji Maharaj. He was ready to do anything for the work given by Shivaji Maharaj. Tanaji Malusare was very strong, well-built, clever and brave. He was passionately, means he was having strong feelings and beliefs and a great devotee. He was a bhakt of Shivaji Maharaj. He was ready to do anything for Shivaji Maharaj. Kondana's marriage first. Tanaji Malusare was busy making preparations for his son Raiba's wedding. Everyone in the house was busy with the Raiba's marriage preparation. His son was getting married. The marriage was only 4 days away. Tanaji Malusare thought that he would go and invite Shivaji Maharaj and Ma Sahib for the wedding. Then he went along with Shelar Mama to give personal invitation to Shivaji Maharaj and Ma Sahib. After receiving invitation, Shivaji Maharaj said, Shelar Mama, you go back and celebrate the wedding. Shivaji Maharaj said to Shelar Mama, "You go back and celebrate the wedding. I am sorry I shall be unable to attend it, as I have decided to lead a campaign for recapture of Kondana." So, he said that he was unable to attend the marriage as he wanted to capture Kondana back. As soon as Tanaji heard this, he said, "Maharaj, do you propose to undertake this difficult and dangerous campaign while Tanaji is still alive?" He said that, "I am alive here and you want to take this difficult and dangerous campaign by yourself. Then what is the use of person like me? Then why I am here? This will not do. I shall first perform the marriage of Kondana by capturing it. Raiba's wedding can wait. We can do the preparations afterwards. You must allow me to lead this campaign and give me your blessings for its success." In this way, Tanaji Malusare said to Shivaji Maharaj that, "While I am here then, I will go and perform my duty. I will capture the Kondana. Raiba's wedding, my son's wedding can wait. We can perform it afterwards. But first I will perform my duty." So first there will be Kondana's marriage. In this way, Tanaji Malusare went to achieve Kondana. The rest part we will see in part 2. Thank you.